Hello and welcome, guys. Hope you are doing great. So, in this video today, we will be discussing how to get the course image from your custom file. So, here you can see I have created a test directory. Then, under the test, I have a file, and the test, I have a file called access file. Okay, so this one, and here I want to get the URL of the images I have just uh, added for this course. Okay, this image, let me come to the setting to show you that. So here I have added one course image and I would like to access this. Okay, so let's see how you can do that. So I have created this one access file.php. For that you have to include list element.php that will be under course classes, and there must be a course id to access that. If not, you can loop through each and every courses to get all the images of courses. So in my case there is a course id 2 I have just added. For this one you can see the course id 2, and you can get the all the record from the course table by using this. Then there is a predefined function to get the overview file. You can use this. So there is a new creating object of this, and where this find this will be inside classes list element.php. Come to that, and here you can see this is inside courses classes list element.php. Okay, and this way you can access, and it will give you the URL. You can see here it will give you the images. How it will give? After that it will give you all the file one by one after looping this, and you can echo this. So in my case there is only one images, course images that is allowed, so it will print this one. So this is enough. So that means you are done with the your requirement. But in case you want a manual method, because I am using this as a predefined method, so you can also do that use by manually. Okay, so I want to access this manually. So for that you must have a context id of that course, sorry, context. So you can get the context like context course instance. You have to pass only the course id, and now you will get the context id, and this context id will give you this context will give you context id and the other things. So this context id will be your item id. Okay, so now on the basis of this context id, and if you see here Moodle files, and you can select the record like file name not equal to null, not equal to dot. Let me come to this files where component equal to course. Okay, so this is the file. Basically I have just only updated for the one, and for that you have to pass this way you will get the response. Like you have to pass the component, and the overview is the file area, and component context id, file area, and a file name. Then you can print the path. After concatenating all this, you'll have the path, and this is the path. Basically if you print this you will get this. You can see here you are getting this one. Okay, so if you open this in a new tab, it will open, and for the first one you will also get. Okay, so hopefully you have get some idea how you will do that at your end. So try this at your end, and in case of any issue please let me know in the comment area of this video. Thank you. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel for all the future video. Thank you. Have a great day ahead.